Let's unbox Motovolt HUM. First, let's remove all the packaging material. So here you can find a set of pedals, some tools, a key, and a charger. Let's align the handlebar to its position and tighten it. Let's install the pedal as mentioned, L for left, R for right. So this is how you can open the seat and remove the battery pack. Let's power on the switch, the display button, check the brakes, headlight switch, indicator, throttle. And we are ready to hit the road.